desktop PC building. Thank you, Sir Justin, for trusting our service and allowing us to build your dream PC. If you want to build your PC with us, don't hesitate to drop a message to our page. We have our sales in charge. Happy to assist you. We would identify your budget, your purpose of having a PC starting from, item recommendations, all the way to building your dream unit. There are no service fees. Apps and software installations are free of charge. This build is in accordance to our customer's needs. He wants to play AAA games with medium to high settings with 1080p resolution and also including for multitasking to his work SE. The specs are as follows for the processor. Intel Core i5-12100F 2.5 GHz for the motherboard. Gigabyte H610MH for the RAM, 2 pieces Kingston Fury Beast 8 GB DDR4 3200 MHz for a total of 16 GB for the SD, a Pacer 1 TB in V-made for the graphics card Galax RTX 3068 GB. GDR61 28-bit for the power supply. Corsair CV75080 Plus Bronze for the chassis. Techwear Forge in black with 4 RGB fans included. Having your PC built by a professional computer repair shop is highly recommended. Professionals have the expertise to ensure all components are compatible and installed correctly, providing quality assurance and reducing the risk of issues or component failures. This approach saves time as professionals can complete the build quickly and efficiently. Many repair shops offer warranties on their work, offering peace of mind in case of post-build issues. The Intel Core i5-12400F is a robust mid-range processor, and the 16 GB of RAM is ample for gaming, multitasking, and productivity applications. The RTX 3060 is a powerful graphics card for 1080p and 1440p gaming. This build handles most modern games smoothly at high or ultra settings, achieving 60+ FPS in titles like Cyberpunk 2077, Fortnite, and Apex Legends. Esports titles such as League of Legends, CS, Valorant, and Dota 2 will run exceptionally well, often exceeding 100 FPS on high settings. The Corsair CV75080 Plus Bronze power supply ensures reliable operation with room for future upgrades. The Techwear Forge M chassis with 4 RGB fans offers excellent airflow and cooling, maintaining optimal temperatures for the CPU and GPU. This build is well balanced, providing strong gaming performance. PC build is done. Visit our shop to avail our service and have your dream PC built too. Follow our page for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.